The latch. Mom supports the breast with an open hand. Place the thumb on the upper side of the breast and the rest of the fingers on the lower side of the breast. Be sure to place your fingers behind the areola. The nipple should point towards the baby's nose. If the baby doesn't open his mouth widely, Mom can stimulate the baby's lips by stroking them gently with the nipple. When the baby opens his mouth widely, Mom drags the baby towards her. You can see that the baby has a good latch. When the chin is close to the breast and the nose is free, the baby has a widely open mouth and lots of breast tissue in his mouth. The sucking movements can be seen all the way to the baby's ears. Once the baby has a good latch and Mom doesn't need to support the breast any longer, she can adjust the baby's position by dragging the baby's lower body towards herself. Then the baby gets her nose free from the breast tissue and the chin in good contact with the breast. Let the baby feed until he lets go of the breast by himself, happy and satisfied.